If you save your workbook files in the cloud on your Windows Live SkyDrive, you can easily share them and have other users open them in Excel on their own devices. Or they can use their web browser with Excel web app if they don't have Excel. To share Excel workbooks you've saved on your SkyDrive, open the workbook file you want to share and then choose File, Share. Excel opens the share screen with the Invite People option selected. Click the Type Names or Email Addresses text box. Then begin typing the email address of the first person with whom you want to share the workbook. Excel matches the letters with the names and email addresses entered in your address book. When it finds possible matches, it displays them in a drop-down menu, and you can select the person. To find email addresses in your address list, click the Search the Address Book for Contacts button, and then use the options in the Address Book Global Address List dialog box. To share the workbook with multiple people, type a semicolon after each email address you add to this text box. Click the Share button, and Excel emails the invitation to share the workbook to each of the recipients. If you want to share workbooks but don't want to use email, you can create hyperlinks to them and make them available to all the people who need online editing or review access. You can post a view link to any workbook saved on your SkyDrive whose data you want to share with your friends and followers on any social network, such as Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, to which you are a member. To create a hyperlink to a workbook open in Excel 2013 that's saved on your SkyDrive, select the Get a Sharing Link option on the Share screen in Backstage View. To create a view-only link that doesn't allow online editing, click the Create Link button to the right of the View Link option that appears on the right side of the Share screen under the Get a Sharing Link heading. To create an edit link that enables online editing instead of a view-only link, or in addition to it, click the Create Link button to the right of the Edit Link option in its place. Excel then displays the long and complex hyperlink for sharing your workbook under the View Link or Edit Link heading. The program also displays a list of any people with whom you've already shared the workbook using the Invite People option. The names appear under a Shared With heading and buttons indicating that anyone with a View Link can view the workbook or with an Edit Link can edit it under a Shared Links heading. Remember, after creating a View Link or Edit Link for a workbook saved on your SkyDrive, you can select the entire hyperlink by simply clicking in the Get a Sharing Link section of the Share screen and then copying it to the clipboard by pressing Ctrl and C. After copying it to the clipboard, you can insert it into a new email message by pressing Ctrl and V that you sent to anyone else that you want to share the Excel workbook